then update, and during Thanksgiving party, kung saan magkatabi sila Allen at Catherine yun, magkatabi sila ng table. Kasama yung mga boses at iba pang cast ng Hello Love Again. Ayan, doon pa masaya, magkatabi. Ayan, nag-cheers pa nga sila eh. Ayan pa nga, magkatabi ang cut din, kasama yung mga boses ng both GMA at ABS. Malakas talaga ang cut din sa kanilang mga mother networks. Ito pa yung mga picture ng cut din sa Thanksgiving party ng Hello Love Again. Nakarang araw.
My best kwento ng ABS-CBN Christmas special, to be specific, was when the time I met my wife.
What is your favorite Christmas story?
Nakikinig
pa nga si
Sabi
Catherine.
ng ninang ko.
Ano ako?
Sabi ng ninang ko.
Kaya pala ako.
Ninang.
So, every year, let's celebrate Robbie and Mikey's, love story. Yung Christmas special.
Actually, mas party namin to. Thank you guys for being here. Salamat.
Thank you, ABS-CBN Christmas special.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Future Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.